Looking to elevate your home cooking and achieve restaurant-worthy results? The Ninja Sp301 Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven might be the answer you've been searching for. This innovative appliance boasts a combination of powerful features and versatile functionalities, making it a compelling choice for busy cooks. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities of the Ninja Sp301 and see if it lives up to the hype. Dual Heat Technology, the secret to restaurant-quality searing. What truly sets the Ninja Sp301 apart is its innovative dual heat technology. This technology combines two powerful heating elements. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit directly heated sear plate. This functions like a cast iron skillet, providing intense and even heat for searing meats and locking in juices. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air. This powerful air circulation system delivers crisp results, perfect for achieving golden brown exteriors on French fries, vegetables, and more. The combination of these two heating elements allows you to sear and crisp food simultaneously, resulting in restaurant-quality dishes that are both flavorful and visually appealing. Imagine achieving that perfect sear on a juicy steak or replicating the crispy crust of a restaurant pizza, all in the comfort of your kitchen. 13-in-1 versatility for a complete kitchen solution. The Ninja Sp301 goes beyond just air frying. It boasts an impressive 13 functionalities, making it a true kitchen multi-tool. Here's a glimpse of what you can achieve with this countertop oven. Air fry. Enjoy crispy and delicious air-fried food with minimal oil, perfect for healthier versions of your favorite fried dishes. Sear Crisp. Utilize dual heat technology to achieve restaurant-worthy sears and crispy results. Rapid Bake. Bake cookies, cakes, and other treats with faster cooking times. Frozen Pizza. Perfectly cook frozen pizzas with crispy crusts and melted cheese. Fresh Pizza. Craft and bake homemade pizzas with ease. Griddle. Sear, sizzle, and cook a variety of foods on the included sear plate, just like a griddle. Air Roast. Roast vegetables and meats to juicy perfection using the rapid cyclonic air circulation. Bake. Bake a variety of dishes, from casseroles to breads, using the traditional baking function. Broil. Achieve a beautiful sear and caramelization on meats and vegetables. Toast. Toast bread to your desired level of browning with ease. Bagel. Toast the inside and gently warm the outside of your bagels for the ideal breakfast experience. Dehydrate. Preserve fruits, vegetables, and herbs for a healthy and long-lasting snack option. Reheat. Reheat leftovers with minimal drying out, keeping them moist and flavorful. With this extensive range of functions, the Ninja Sp301 can tackle virtually any cooking task, potentially replacing several other kitchen appliances. Increased capacity for family meals. The Ninja Sp301 offers an increased height capacity compared to previous models. This allows you to air fry or roast up to 4 pounds of ingredients, perfect for feeding a family. Additionally, it can accommodate a 2 pounds roast or fit up to 6 chicken breasts, making it ideal for preparing larger dishes. Healthy cooking with less fat. Looking to indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt? The Ninja Sp301 air fry function allows you to enjoy up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. This means you can savor crispy and delicious food without compromising your health goals. Faster cooking times. The Ninja Sp301 prioritizes speed alongside convenience. It boasts up to 65% faster cooking compared to a full-size electric oven. Additionally, the air oven functions preheat within 60 seconds, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Space-saving design with flip-up feature. Living in a small apartment? The Ninja Sp301 has you covered. This countertop oven features the same space-saving flip-up and away capability as its predecessor. When not in use, you can simply flip the oven upright, reclaiming valuable counter space. Multifunctional sear plate. The included sear plate isn't just for searing. It can also be used as a traditional sheet pan for various air oven functions, adding to the overall versatility of the appliance. The verdict. The Ninja Sp301 Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven is a compelling option for those seeking a feature-packed and powerful kitchen appliance. With its innovative dual heat technology, 13-in-1 functionality, and increased capacity, the Ninja Sp301 allows you to cook restaurant-quality dishes, healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, and a variety of other meals with ease. The faster cooking times and space-saving design make it a perfect fit for busy cooks in smaller kitchens. While the price tag might be on the higher end, the versatility and performance it offers justify the investment for those seeking a true all-in-one kitchen solution. If you're looking for an air fryer that can sear, crisp, roast, bake, and more, all in a user-friendly and space-saving design, the Ninja Sp301 Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.